Hey everyone, I'm going to talk to you about your poem that you're going to be writing today. Today's poem is called a 5W poem. And once I go over it, it'll make a lot of sense on why it's called a 5W. So, a 5W poem tells a story by answering 5 questions that all begin with W. The questions don't appear in the poem and it doesn't rhyme. So, really, a 5W poem is just telling about something, describing something. And you'll notice that a lot of poems that we've written so far have done that. Our Cinquain, our haiku this week. Okay, so think about those 5W words and you will be able to write this poem. So we've got who, what, when, where, and why. You know, those are the 5W words, right? Especially when we're talking about a story. Think about it as our, even in terms of our read aloud. Like, who is the story about? What is happening? When is it taking place? Where does it take place? Why is it happening? Okay? And that can help you with your 5W poem. So here's an example. There's only 5 lines because there's 5Ws. So line 1 is going to be who or what the poem is about. It can be about an animal, it could be about a person, it could be about a thing. Okay? What is he, she, or it doing? When is it taking place? Where does it take place? And why does it take place? Okay, so here's an example they gave. Little tree frog, that was the who. What? Sitting so still. In the morning light on a branch outside my window, waiting for your breakfast. Okay, so you're going to write 3 poems today, 5W poems. The first one will be about an animal, the second one will be about a person, and the last one is your choice. But I will do a little example with you so you can see how it can be done. And I'm going to do that on this page. I'm going to zoom in as soon as I can find Zoom. All right, and we're going to do this 5W. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, who, what, where, when, why. I'm going to write mine about Lucy, okay, from Lion Witch in the Wardrobe, because that is who we have talked about a lot, and I think that you all know who she is as a character, and it should be pretty easy to follow along. So, who? And I'm just going to say Lucy the girl. I'll just say Lucy the girl. What? What is she doing? Exploring the house. When? On a rainy day. Where? Let me think of where. I should probably, because I said that she was exploring the house. Or actually, maybe this is what I should do. I'm going to say playing hide and seek on a rainy day. Where? Into the wardrobe. Into the wardrobe. And why is she doing it? To get away from her siblings. Okay, and now we know what happens, right? We know what happens when she gets into that wardrobe. She goes into Narnia. But there it is. Lucy, or I could say Lucy the little sister. Okay, anything like that. So you could do yours about a character. It doesn't have to be Lucy. And I know that this one says a person that you know. You could do that about a person you know either. Okay, or also, I should say. Let's do another one. 5W poem. Let's do a 5W poem about, how about a dog? How about my dog? Lily the Yorkie. Remember what I told you about her? She's kind of mean, although right now she's just sleeping and being good. Lily the Yorkie. What is she? And if you go back to what, you'll see that it says, what is he, she, or it doing? Okay? So I'm going to say Lily the Yorkie. Barking, oops. Barking in the yard. And I'm going to go up. My line 3 is when? Every morning. And where? By the bushes. In my yard, I have these tall bushes. and she can see people's feet walk by through the bottom, and that's where she does it. Where and why? To protect her yard. Or to protect her family, let's say, because I already used the word. Okay? So that's it. Look, it was just so simple, okay? You're doing who, what, when, where, why. Okay? I think you'll be great. I can't wait to read these. Who, what, when, where, why. Remember, a poem is your own thought, your creativity. I can't tell you what to write. I can help you, but this is where I really want you to come up with just some ideas on your own and be able to, showcase the amazing thoughts that you guys have and the amazing creativity that I know you have in there. Okay, I'll leave my two examples up on that second page there, but I do want you to have these three done on that first page. All right, I'm going to leave that for you, and I can't wait to read them. Bye.